Good morning, children, to everyone. Let us take English language today. In our previous classes, we have studied past continuous tense, and today also we are going to study past continuous tense. Let us study today the use of was and were. So it is on page number 84. Learning with Ladybird. Use of was, where. See, when do we use, or which are the pronouns we use was and were. So let us see the use of these particular two auxiliary verbs. So it comes under past continuous tense. Okay. Now let us see here. See, I, he, she, and it. For these pronoun, we use was, or we can say subject. Okay. For example, let us see. I was playing on the ground. I was playing, let us say, cricket. I was playing cricket yesterday also, we can say. He, she, it. Let us say he was singing. He was singing yesterday. Similarly, she was going to market. She was going to market. It also. It was playing, or it was sleeping. Okay. So likewise, we can use for these subjects when they become subjects. They are pronoun, but as a subject when we use was along with these words. Now let us see the use of where. You, we, they. For these pronoun or for these subjects, we use where. See, let us see example here. We were dancing yesterday. For example, they here. They were eating. They were eating. Any objects we can give. They were eating rice. They were eating bananas, or they were eating mangoes, etc. So, see, we cannot use was here. We was, no. They was eating, no. It will be wrong. So, we have to see here, children, you should pay attention. See, only with these uh, subjects we can use, like for example, I, he, she, it. We can use was. We use was, and you, we, they. We use the auxiliary verb were. So you have to keep in mind. Now let us see some more examples. Let us take exercise number 1. Past continuous. Now read and put a tick in the correct boxes. See, I am reading. Number 1. Ahmad dashed to school at 7 o'clock yesterday morning. 2 options have been given here. Was walking, were walking. So, here number 1. Ahmad dashed to school at 7 o'clock in the 7 o'clock yesterday morning. Okay, so 2 options are there. Was walking, were walking. See here, A was walking, were walking. So children, you see here it is singular noun. Therefore, we have to use singular auxiliary verb. So here Ahmad was walking to school at 7 o'clock yesterday morning. So here we will give was walking. Okay, so this one is correct. Now you see 2 number. The children dash a film at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. The children dash a film at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. 2 options. A was watching, B option were watching. Now here it is plural subject. Therefore we have to use plural auxiliary verb. The children was watching, we cannot put. Therefore we have to see here the children were watching. See here, were watching a film at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. So all these sentences are in the past continuous tense. Likewise, there is another example, you see. Sam does his homework at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. 2 options. Wasn't doing. So here the correct option is wasn't doing. So Sam wasn't doing his homework at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. Then remaining sections again I will deal in next class. Thank you very much to everyone, my dear children.